This is a Russian glide bomb. The Russian army has dropped many of them over Ukraine this year. Glide bombs are relatively cheap and cause a lot of destruction. They are very hard to counter, and most of them are retrofitted Soviet-era general-purpose bombs. With the latest upgrade, those dump bombs are given the functionality of modern cruise missiles at a small fraction of the cost. The name FAB means High Explosive Aviation Bomb, and it is available in huge stockpiles in Russia. There are different sizes available: the FAB-250, the FAB-500 and the FAB-1500. The largest one contains around 1,500 pounds of explosives, which makes it capable of leveling buildings and bunkers. Right now, the Russian arms industry ramps up the production of the 3,000 kilogram version of this weapon. This Forbes article got me into the topic. Maybe bigger is not necessarily better in glide bombs. You can find a link to the article in the video description. The size tries to compensate for the inaccuracy somewhat, and the psychological impact on the troops on the ground is relatively high. In this video we will focus on two advanced glide bombs, the Soviet-era FAB-500 and the American-made JDAM smart bomb. These sophisticated weapons highlight significant differences in design, technology and application. Let's dive into their unique features and operational mechanisms. One of the major distinctions between these two weapons is their guidance systems. The American JDAM converts unguided bombs, such as the Mark 82, into precision-guided munitions by attaching a guidance tail kit. This kit integrates GPS and inertial navigation systems, allowing the bomb to hit its target with high accuracy. The FAB-500 from Russia also requires a guidance kit that deploys wings, enabling it to glide towards its target using the GLONASS system, which is the Russian equivalent of GPS. This transformation turns the bomb into a smart weapon capable of striking targets with precision. The Russian GPS alternative, which was launched in 1982, consists of 24 satellites and became full operational in 1995. The orbit radius is 19,000 kilometers, which translates to 11,900 miles. The cost of these upgraded munitions varies significantly. The upgraded FAB-500 glide bomb costs approximately $15,000 to $20,000. These numbers are hard to verify since most of the bombs were produced in the Soviet era and only the guidance system is new. While the JDAM costs around $20,000 to $40,000. This price difference reflects the varying levels of technology and capability embedded in each system. The FAB-500 is a robust weapon with a standard model weighing around 500 kg, which is an equivalent to 1,100 pounds. The Soviet-designed general-purpose airdrop bomb is equipped with a high-explosive warhead, primarily used by the Russian aerospace forces, former Soviet republics and customer countries. The original M54 model was rolled out in 1954, shaped for internal carriage by heavy bombers. A low-drag M62 version in 1962 was intended for fighter bomber external hardpoint carriage. Early models were unguided with a single nose fuse and compatible with most models of Soviet aircraft. The latest variants of the FAB-500 bomb use the UMPK, a winged system developed after 2022 for the Ukraine war, for precision satellite guidance and increased standoff distance. This crucial component uses the GLONASS guidance system to ensure the bomb follows its desired trajectory and hits the target accurately. The tail stabilizer provides aerodynamic stability during the bomb's flight. The fuse adapter houses the trigger mechanism, while the auxiliary booster activates the TNT payload. Let me show you the steps required to launch this weapon. The Sukhoi fighter jet approaches the target, staying just outside enemy air defense range and releases the bomb. Initially, the wing kit is upside down. Once the bomb is clear of the aircraft, the wings deploy, transforming the bomb into a glide weapon with a range of up to 70 km, which is an equivalent of 43 miles. The wings make precise adjustments during flight, guided by the GLONASS system, directing the bomb to the target coordinates. The FAB and JDAM can be adjusted for different detonation modes, such as impact, delayed and burst. The impact fuse detonates upon contact, triggering the TNT payload for a massive explosion. The proximity fuse causes the bomb to explode a few meters above the ground. And the delayed mode, which penetrates concrete layers before detonating inside the structure. The FAB-500 is approximately 2.4 meters, around 8 feet long, whereas the JDAM is about 2.35 meters, around 7.7 feet long. The larger FAB-1500 stands over 2.7 meters, which is an equivalent to 9 feet. The JDAM kit transforms unguided bombs into smart munitions. Key components include inertial guidance kit and GPS. Ensures precise navigation towards the target. Telemetry antenna and encryption key battery. Facilitates data transmissions and secures sensitive information. Thermal batteries and composite fins. Power the system and aid in maneuvering the bomb. Laser guidance kit. Optional addition for increased accuracy. JDAM ER wing kit extends the bomb's range up to 75 kilometers, which is an equivalent to 46 miles. Let us look into the steps necessary to engage a target with a JDAM. Target coordinates loaded into the aircraft before takeoff and can be updated in flight. The basic JDAM guidance package can be augmented by a range of seeker heads with imaging features in different wavelengths. Release and guidance. Upon release, the JDAM uses its internal guidance system to navigate towards the target, unaffected by weather conditions. Course correction. The bomb's control gears and fins make necessary adjustments to stay on course. Both the FAB-500 and JDAM represent significant advancements in aerial munitions technology, each with unique features tailored to their respective military strategies. The Soviet-era FAB-500 showcases robust engineering with its GLONASS guidance system, while the American JDAM emphasizes precision and versatility through its GPS and internal navigation system. Understanding these weapons' intricacies not only highlights their technological progress, but also underscores their strategic importance in modern warfare. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at different systems, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos.